Welcome back to my Becoming Her series, where I take you along with me on becoming the best version of myself, aka her.
How can love you all summer and after fall? I'll keep you all summer and after fall. How can love you all summer and after fall? I'll keep you.
Today is episode 2 of my Becoming Her series, and for today's episode, we'll be focusing on visualizing our ideal self. So we'll be taking all the personality traits and the things we learned about ourselves from the previous video. If you haven't already watched it, be sure to check it out before you see this one. And we will be compiling it onto a list of basically creating a visual representation or image of who our ideal self is. So we'll be taking all of that and we will be creating a mood board based on who our ideal self is, what she looks like, what her life is like, how she behaves, how she thinks, all of that. To start off, we'll be writing down a list of all the things that we already know about ourselves, from our personality to behaviors, basically all the things that we know from the quiz and we've learned from the quiz, and all the things that we would like to implement, any new behaviors or things that we would like to change from the things that we learned from ourselves from the personality quiz and tests and journaling as well. On the one side of the paper, write down all the things you already know about yourself. Then we're going to highlight all the things that we want to make, that we would like to change about ourselves. And then on the other side of the paper, you would write down the things that you have changed, like what it would look like after you've made the change. Like for example, maybe you wrote down that you lack self-confidence, and then you highlight it. On the other side of the paper, you write down what it looks like after you've made the change. So now you know that you are confident, you are assertive, you don't doubt your own abilities, and you don't let anybody else underestimate you. That's what it looks like after the change. Now on another different piece of paper, we are going to evaluate all the different areas of our lives. Like for example, relationship, finance, social, career, fashion and beauty, and all the different areas of your life that you would like to focus on this year. They can be 5, they can be 4, they can be as many as you want. Then we're going to write down under each category, list maybe 2 or 3 goals that you would like to accomplish in each area of your life. Now we take this list from these different areas of our lives and we then go on into making a vision board. If you don't know how to make a vision board, I already created a video that shows how to make a digital vision board that you can save either on your phone home screen or your laptop home screen, just so you can see it every single day and you know what you're focusing on when you're making your ideal and your dream self. If you want to make a vision board that's physical by printing out pictures and pasting them, it's up to you, but I'm going to be creating a digital vision board, and I'll be first looking for pictures that represent all the different areas of my life and what it looks like, and I will be saving it on to a folder or a file, and then you will just be compiling it on, putting it together on one screen or one sheet, or in this case I'll be using Pinterest to find my pictures and Canva to be creating my vision board. visualization of what our ideal self looks like and how she is and how she behaves in her life and all of that based on your goals that you have for yourself this year. We are ready to put all of this into action by creating habits and showing up as the person that we would like to become. So if you want to see how the rest of that goes, be sure to press the subscribe button down below and press that notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Leave a like and a comment on this video if you liked it and you found it useful, and continue to join me on my Becoming Her series here on YouTube, where I become the best version of myself and hopefully help you to do the same. And until the next video, I'll see you. Goodbye.